We'll look around at the ground, boys. Feel the adrenaline pumping through your veins. You're gonna feel it when the siren sounds and you've kicked your opponents and the crowd is screaming your names. And they'll be jumping when the scoreboard proves who the men in the league are. This is no bitch's game. The other fellas will be lying on the grass. They'll be clutching their ass, wishing they'd never dared to play the greatest team in the motherfucking world. Good old Collingwood. Forever.